what? I'm going in.
What's going on? So, talking about that cougar cub life. But when you in your cougar cub life, it's totally different ball game because you can date someone's son, somebody's daddy, and granddaddy. And they be getting mad at you. Cause you can jump on that motherfucker like you want to. Shit. Don't be a granddaddy come to date me and your daddy and your son around my motherfucking age. That's fucked up, right? Don't look at me like that. Shit. I ain't did no wrong. That motherfucker talking about, Mama, you need some shit. You need some. And motherfuckers be getting mad and shit because they can't play that motherfucking card. I don't give a fuck. Shit, I'm that bitch and I'm all gonna play that card. Shit, I don't got no kids. My motherfucking gut right here don't have that foop shit. I got that motherfucking stomach like the fucking African and shit over there. Motherfucking stomach that stick out there. Be like this. I don't give a fuck. All my life I was taught to tuck yourself in. My auntie told me when I was little, because I switched my walk. I didn't know I was switching my walk. I was fat, my legs were rubbing and shit, switching and shit. Like, oh, you trying to be cute. How the fuck I'm trying to be cute? I'm fat.
You're not fat, you thick.
But listen, I had to get comfortable in this skin. Before you was buying this shit, I was ashamed of this shit. I don't give a fuck the goddamn shit. The shit fat from the front and the goddamn back. Okay? And no, I realized, like, people forget. It's like people jump straight to the cougar life. But before you become a cougar, you enter the cougar club. How you guys doing? Your motherfucking skin. I can't help that shit. I'm always be me. Me and these motherfucking 4 teeth in the front. And we gonna enjoy each other. The fuck? I ain't going to nobody's goddamn basement to get no braces and shit. And can't get that shit took off in goddamn 12 months. So I'ma stick to this shit. I ain't even see. You gotta let these hoes know what time it is. You gotta be comfortable in your skin. Girl, I know you just got your damn hair done. That shit look good. Yes, it is. You switched it up. Oh no, you been wearing that damn hat on your head all the time. Coming up on that damn pretty hair. Shit. How y'all guys feeling tonight? You feeling that motherfucker? She like, I'm not about to pay $10 for my 2 GB and crab leg. I feel you, cause I'm gonna take these motherfuckers to the grave with me. But I'm done talking shit, y'all. Cause you know shit goes in the toilet. And I love this motherfucking red. I'm out this bitch, y'all. I love y'all. Thank y'all. Appreciate the time.
If you ever feel uncomfortable